kasi humapa yung isang puno. Kaya sa may PUP. Ang cute ng shape ng building na. May mga kanta-kanta. Oops, sorry. Welcome to a room. Midas. Ang cute ng box na. Toiletries. For rental kit. Vanity kit. And ito yung prices, no? Wow, Coke 230. Daming mirrors. Ayan ang kanilang bathroom. May tub. Daming salamin. Ito pa. Mirror room. May veranda. Keep the balcony closed. Ayan ang view ng Pasay Road. Let's not open it kasi mainit. Yes, I have a lounge here, Merienda Buffet, Sunset Lounge. Same floor ng Sunset Lounge, Executive Lounge. So it's a huge choose. Ito na lang tayo. Kaya mo dito. And food choices, they have chicken arroz caldo, soft horse, kwek-kwek, toko at baboy, chicken satay, carbonara, and they have halo-halo and pasties, and drinking station. And they have coffee also. Birthday merienda. Check natin na gym. Beautiful din. Ano na, elevator. Okay. This is their gym. It's open till 7 p.m. And it's 6:30. So welcome natin. 7 to 7. Oh, there's a restroom. This is our view from our room. It's the Double Dragon, it's Moa. It's Heritage Hotel, Litios Hospital, it's Rose Boulevard. It's 5 a.m. Malapit sa airport. a jog. Sana bukas na yung gym. Good morning. Morning jog here sa Nende Pavilion. It's been a while na nandito tayo sa MOA area. Sobrang dami ng development. Mga residences, SMDC, everything. And then signed the pedestrian crossing. SG na ang dating. Nice. Ganda. So this is the Met Park pala. Federal land. Tapos doon sa kabila, Manila Taytana Colleges. Ganda na ng mga developments here. There's a school. This is the residential area. Federal land. Hindi ko sure kung ano yan. Parang may SMDC din. This is the area. Parallel to Rojas Boulevard. Ayan, that's SMDC, yung mga buildings na yan. That's Taytana, Manila Taytana School, colleges. 6 senses to. Met Park. Part of Met Park. Yan. Met Live dun sa dulo. That's Blue Bay. I'm here sa corner ng street. Do you know that this is Kamuning? Hindi ko na siyang ganyan. Ang sin-sin ng talaga. Sobrang bango ng flower. So here we are sa Pasay Road. Dami ng joggers. Ayan o. Sa may Uniqlo. Ayan yung flowers ng Kamuning o. Nice. It smells good. Ganda. Pag sininsinan, ayan, ganyan tsura. Ayan. Tapos pag nag-flowers, white. Perfect. Ganda. That's true. That's the Double Dragon Plaza. Magawin ko dyan kami. Mag-show this June 10. So we'll see. I'll find out. There's the big Uniqlo here. Sa Blue Bay. Dati Blue Bay lang na meron dito sa area na tumating yung Double Dragon. There's a plane. Dati yan lang sa Blue Bay yung meron. Dumating tong Double Dragon. Yun na yung Pasay Road. Dami na yung structures. Tayo sa kabila. Makabawal tayo dito. And this is the Midas lobby. That's how it looks like. Cherry blossoms. That's the lobby. We're back. They have a shop here. Mga luxury brands. Check natin ulit yung Shein kung open. Closed pa siya. So 7 pa. Stretching na lang para breakfast. Ciao. There's the breakfast buffet. Breads. Lots of breads. Cookies. Pastries. Salad. Rice, of course. More breads. Eggs. Fruits. Noodle station. Scrambled egg. Quesadilla. Salad. Fresh veggies. Dami Let's eat. Veg. Chelsea. Soup. No nga, abang maganda pa ayos. Picture na.
Oo, dali.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wala yung cake. Mamaya na lang. Ipipicture lang daw siya nung nagkakot.
Video lang pala. Papa po niya magaling din.
Hindi alam ako kung pag-picture sa mga guests mo.
Ano mo ko sa picture dyan?
Oo, bago yun talaga. Pero paano yung pag nagmamahal ka kayo? Walang sunscreen. Wala.
Ay, bakit yung gagawin pa yan?
Video.
Ba't hindi mag-iul? 3 minutes. Isa-set mo lang yung naman. Ano mo?
Nakilala nila yung di ba yung ikano kasi Milano? Kung mga marunong kasi pag first girlfriend na yun. Parang
Pwede mo na siyang yan,
Mamaya! Malalim. Hindi pwede pang bata.
May cake. Lighter. Walang nag-smoke. Babait ng mga tao. Ano? Wait lang. Sila mama? Pagan. Papa, kasi maraming cakes kayo.
Pangit, pangit.
Wala pa yung ano. Asa yung lighter? Wala pa light.
Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Nakatapat sa ano? Nakatapat sa aircon. Wait.
Dami lang iipan.
Okay, ready?
Walang candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish. Oh, lahat yun. Yay! Speech daw.
Thank you. O, picturean niyo ako dito para isa yung my day niyo. Post niyo yan lahat, ah.
Sunod naman lahat.
May point lang dyan, ah, para payat ako.
Speech! Speech! Speech daw. Speech daw.
Yay!
Ano yung speech ko?
Teka dito.
Hello. Yun, thank you sa lahat ng nagpunta, sa lahat ng nag-insert ng effort para pumunta dito. So, yung mga nandito lang, yung closest friends and relatives lang. So, yung mga wala dito, hindi ko kaibigan. Hindi invited. Yun lang, thank you.